guys, Hype here, make absolute beauty for you guys today. Let's get right into it. Today we are going to be unboxing a new controller that I got from Cinch Gaming. My buddy Elmo is the one that actually told me to get a controller from them. This is not a sponsored video, I want to make that known. Elmo told me to get a controller from them, so I decided, why not? Let's make an unboxing video on it. The only downside I will say before I even open the controller is it took 3 months from the day I ordered it for it to get here. One of the reasons it did take so long is it's a fully custom controller. Like, everything on it is customized pretty much. So that's a big reason why it took a while. So that alone takes at least a month for them to do. So I knew it was going to take a while for it to come in. But then I got an email like 2 weeks after I ordered it saying that they don't have any black controller bases. I asked if a white one was okay. So then I customized some other stuff on it. But yeah, here it is in the packaging. They wrapped it for me like a gift. It's like Christmas all over again. I'm assuming they just put it in a normal Xbox. Yeah, robot white. Just throw that over there. Here we go, fully custom controller. Big reveal in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Yo, they got the black. They actually did get the black. Yo, do they have thumbsticks? Oh, here's my interchangeable thumbsticks. Let's go. Yo, they actually did get black. They told me it was gonna be white. They faked me out. They faked me out. What do we think? What do we think? The custom grips. Ooh, that feels cool. Got the buttons. Let's see how the buttons feel. Yeah, that's gonna take some getting used to. They're pretty close together. Mouse click triggers. If you guys can hear that, mouse click triggers. Those are just custom made buttons. Everything else is normal. We got the back buttons here. So just normal buttons. The battery thing, battery pack. But the reason I went with black and orange, if you guys don't know already, this is my headset. We got the McLaren Gaming Astro A50 McLaren F1 racing headset. So I wanted a controller that matched it. Now that I'm looking at it, the oranges aren't very close, but you can still tell the idea from afar. But yeah, I'm gonna open up these grips, see what we got in here. Oh my. We got domed. Oh my goodness. And then normal. So I'm probably going to use one of these here. This controller also has anti-stick drift modules in it, so I theoretically should never get stick drift. We're going to have to test that out. But if I'm looking at it here, you guys can't really tell, but these are the thumbsticks we have, plus the one I just put on here. We got a small one here of a normal. A longer one, but smaller, or not smaller, longer one, normal, longer one, dome, and then 2 normal domes. So they give you 2 normal domes, 2 normal, not domed. I'm getting myself all confused here, and then 2 long ones. 1 of each. I usually use dome for my aiming, so I'm gonna just throw that on now. I might try to use the other one just to see how the other one is. But we're gonna put that on now. Oh yeah, that feels good. That feels good. Just trying to figure out what the best way. This is gonna be how we're holding it. This is how we're gonna have to hold it, like this. Like that, like that. Boom, 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 boom. This controller is actually very light. I think because I told him to take the vibration motors out. Pretty sure that's what I asked for. But we're gonna plug this into the PC and play a game or two of COD and test her out. Alright, we have made it on BO7, and one thing I forgot to show you guys is the Xbox LED is also orange. Totally forgot about that. And I figured out a new way to hold the controller. For instance, this is one side. You only need one finger for two buttons. One button around where the knuckle is, right where the tip of my finger is there. And the other one where the tip of my finger is now. So it rests on both, and yeah, makes it easier to tap both. So I think that's why they put them closer together. Makes a lot more sense now. Also, forgot that it doesn't have motors in it.
Get the ball.
Sorry, that's my brother. But yeah, it doesn't have motors in it, so it is extremely light right now. I also didn't put any batteries in it yet, because I'm just using it wired for now. It's a lot lighter. I'll put batteries in it once I use it on my Xbox. But without further ado, I think we should hop into a game of BO7 and really test this thing out. Alright, we have found a game on standoff, a little hardpoint action. Yup, that's a first blood. Great start on the new controller. Oh, damn. There was one behind me. It's alright. Controller feels good so far. The new back button strategy is definitely the move. I saw you, bitch ass. That's the gun I'm using right there that killed me. And that gunfight at least.
Personnel have captured the hard point.
How the fuck did you know exactly where I was? I'm gonna watch his kill cams from now on. It's tough, I snapped on it too.
Hardpoint is active. Hostiles have the hard point.
Come on, bro. What are all these sweats? Jesus, I should have played a different COD if I knew it was gonna be this goddamn sweaty.
Control the hard point.
22 HP off that. You're joking.
Personnel have captured the
This
hard
is
point.
fucking ridiculous. I'm best on the team, 7 and 6. That just tells me everything I need to know. And he's not gonna fucking... Bro, who are these people? They teaming? The guy I fucking started shooting at isn't even the one that killed me. Yeah, he got shit on. Oh my god. Well, I'm sorry you guys have to witness this horrific gameplay, but everyone and their mom decides they're gonna sweat their tits off in BO7.
No way.
I just get everyone to one shot, and then I just nothing. I got hit once that did fucking 45 damage.
Enemy UAV detected.
This is getting out of hand. Why am I reloading? Why the fuck am I reloading? I was not out of ammo, I don't think. I hope.
Hardpoint located.
Oh.
Wait, is he just gonna camp there?
Hardpoint is active. Hostiles have the hard
Come on, dude, move! That's a dub.
Requesting recon overhead.
No, I think that.
Can I hit my shots, dude? Come on. Yeah, I'm 11 and 12. Promise you guys I'm better than this. But I don't seem like it. Maybe it's just a new controller. Gotta get used to the new controller. I didn't know who to shoot at.
Hostiles have the hard point. Skewer release detected.
The skewer would kill me, even though I'm not having a good game at all. I want to know how that decides who to kill.
Hardpoint locked down.
One shot again.
Hardpoint located. Hostile personnel have
Oh,
captured the hardpoint.
oh. That's why I keep accidentally tapping the button.
We control the hardpoint. Hostile flashbang.
Damn, you guys are sweaty. Just getting used to the controller. We're good though.
Enemy marksman shooting
I
at
feel
us.
like you.
Requesting recon overhead.
Fica, no, eu não sei o que tem ela. Essa aqui dois aí, eu não sei o que tem ela.
Spray requesting UAV.
Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint active. Hardpoint locked down. Hostile personnel have captured the hardpoint.
Sorry, I was just testing to see if I'd prioritize reload on.
Hostile skewer inbound.
No way, bro. I fucking put skates on you and somehow still died there. No idea how the fuck I died there.
Control the hardpoint. Hardpoint is active. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down. UAV established above. Skewer release detected.
And nobody's gonna kill him.
Capture the hardpoint.
I wanna know. They definitely have a UAV, but like,
Logging UAV.
these guys just know exactly where I am.
We control the hardpoint. Crush them while they're on the defensive. Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint active.
Bro, I am not having a good game. At all. I think I just gotta get used to the controller. I think that's the only problem. I'm liking the controller so far. Gotta aim higher. Gotta aim higher.
We control the hard point.
The only thing is, I think when I get like jump scared or whatever in a gunfight and try b-hopping, I accidentally press reload. I think that's the issue I'm having.
Authorizing CUAV ETA.
Behind me. That's the only reason I don't kill your friend there.
Hostiles have the hard point.
He don't miss.
Hard point is active. Hard point locked down.
Authorizing UAV mission.
Like I said, he don't fucking miss. Straight to my dome piece. That one looks kind of sus. The other one's that one.
Hostile
That
personnel
one
have
was kind of
captured the hard
sus.
point.
There's either a really good flick or he's got a little buffer. God, I've never had to use my fucking stim more than this thing.
Hard point identified.
What the fuck, dude? I'm really struggling.
Going close.
Hard point active. We control the hard point. Hagen,
Well, went positive. Got the dub. Controller feels really good. I gotta say, controller feels really good. Just gotta get used to the buttons a little bit. But I think once I get used to the buttons, we'll be in good shape. We'll be in good shape. I'm glad Elmo actually told me about these guys. I'm excited. I am very excited for the new controller. That was me unboxing my new custom controller by Cinch Gaming. This is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to unbox this controller because a friend of mine actually referred me to this company and I said, screw it, let's order a controller and try it out, and I actually really enjoy it so far. And I'm excited to keep using it. But if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any uploads or streams. We upload every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern and every Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern. And we stream every Sunday through Thursday, 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern. Go drop a follow on Party if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate that. We're trying to get partnered over there. Go drop a follow on the Twitter so you don't miss any updates on streams, uploads, and other fun things to get the community involved, like giveaways. And comment some other video ideas you may have. Can literally be anything. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.